Good morning, students. Students, I am sending you solution for lesson plan 1 and a special assignment of it. बच्चे, many of the question of this assignment I have solved in PDF form and that I will be sending to you. But few question of which I realized कि they are very important as well as tricky. So I am just sending you through this video. Just watch this video carefully and do practice of these questions, as these questions are very important. Like assignment, special assignment part A, question number 2. In this they are saying question number 2, x is equals to 3 plus root 5 upon 2, and they are asking you to find x square plus 1 by x square, then further x cube plus 1 by x cube, and one more part is there, that is x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4. So बच्चे, in such type of questions how do we do? First of all, always we use identity. As we know, for x square plus 1 by x square we will be required x plus 1 by x. So I am just using the identity x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to x square plus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. I think no need of telling this, just I have opened the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now if I solve it, this x and this x will get cancelled, this 2 is left here, so this 2 I'll bring this side, so it will become x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 is equals to x square plus 1 by x square. I'll give this equation as equation number 1. Further, बच्चे, x is given as 3 plus root 5 upon 2. So what will be 1 upon x? 1 upon x will be just reciprocal, because I have done reciprocal of x 1 by x. So reciprocal of it, that is 2 upon 3 plus root 5. Now if we know we have root in denominator, we always do rationalization of denominator. So what I have done, rationalize the denominator. Everybody must be knowing, if here in binomial this we have plus, so while doing rationalization I'll take the reverse sign, that is minus. So 3 plus root 5 will be rationalized with 3 minus root 5. Okay, now just to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 will be multiplied by this, so 2 into bracket में as it is I have written, and in denominator just see बच्चे, a plus b, a minus b. When we do multiply a plus b, a minus b, it is reduced to a square minus b square by using this identity. Okay. Now in numerator, so we'll leave like this only. This is bracket simple, don't get confused here. 2 into 3 minus root 5. In denominator 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5. That is 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 2 is outside, so it will get cut by this 4. So 3 minus root 5 upon 2. This is my second equation. Now बच्चे just see, I have x, I have 1 by x. 1 by x is 3 minus root 5 upon 2. Now from these two, and बच्चे here x plus 1 by x का whole square minus 2 was x square plus 1x square upon x square. This we require. So now we shall put the value of this x plus 1 by x and we'll get our answer. So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 में we are putting value. X value is 3 plus root 5 upon 2. 1 by x value is 3 minus root 5 upon 2. बच्चे, from here I have taken this. Okay. So now just take LCM, and after taking LCM, root 5 will get cut by minus root 5 and upon 2. This is whole square. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 upon 2, that is 3. 3 square minus 2. So my answer is 9 minus 2. That is x square plus 1 by x square is 7. Clear? Just see this step once again. Okay. 6 I have cut by 2. 3 square 9 minus 2, that is 7, because at right hand side we had x square plus 1 by x square, means this all calculation we were doing for x square plus 1 by x square. Same बच्चे, if we want to do it for x cube, x plus 1 upon x का cube, if I'll open it, what will happen? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, now x plus 1 by x, beta here previous part, here x plus 1 by x, by solving what did I get? I got 3 बच्चे है ना. So from this I have put this value here, x plus 1 by x whole cube, that is 3 cube, and here in RHS like this only. Now 3. See, this x will get cancelled by x, and x plus 1 by x again 3. So I have put by 3 here. Okay. Now 3 3 is 9. 9 will come this side. So 27 minus 9. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is 18. Hopefully you have understood. Just see this question, and in the same manner you can do x to the 4 power 1 by x raised to 4. You once try, then we'll discuss in our class. Okay. Now बच्चे, next important question, very important question. In part B, question number 4, they are giving us a is 7 minus root 4 root 3, and we have to find root a plus 1 by root a. Okay. If a is this, so 1 by a is reciprocal of it, and now we have in denominator our root sign, so we will do rationalization. Same notice कि note down कि minus को I have turned into plus. Numerator into numerator I have done. Again a minus b, a plus b. I am not writing all reasons why. This I am telling you people, and you please take care of it. So a square minus b square, identity I have put. So in numerator 7 plus 4 root 3 like this only, and in denominator 49 minus 48. So that means my 1 by a value is 7 plus 4 root 3. And what was I required? I required root a plus 1 by root a. That's why I will do root a plus 1 by root a whole square. So it means root a square plus 1 by root a square plus 2 into root a into 1 by root a. Okay. So this is like this only. Now root a square, we all know square will get cancelled by this. Not actually cancelled, we have discussed earlier many of the time कि root means power half will get cancelled by 2. So in short we say okay, this will get cut by this a, and same here, this is 1 by a, and this root a will get cut by root a, so it will left only 2. Okay बच्चे. Now a value in question it was given 7 minus 4 root 3. 1 by a we have taken out here 7 plus 4 root 3. Same value I have put 7 plus 4 root 3. This 4 root 3 will get cut. What is left? 7 plus 7 and plus 2 like this only. ठीक है. So now 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16. Now just see, this square is 16, so that means if I'll just remove square, so it will become plus minus 4. Minus 4 I can't take because sorry plus minus 4. Then I'll just check कि is it possible to find out root a plus 1 by root a. So now that is plus minus 4. Okay. Now बच्चे third question, that is also very important and tricky question. Now this is, if x is equals to 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3, we have to show x square minus 14x plus 1 is equals to 0. In such cases, we know we have root in denominator, so we have to do at first rationalization of denominator, and same I'll change the sign and I'll do rationalize. So we can see 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, that is 2 plus root 3 whole square, and in denominator a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Now in numerator, as I can see, a plus b whole square, it means a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in denominator 4 minus 3. Clear? Now just see, 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 root 3. This will become 7 plus 4 root 3. Now just bring this 7 this side. Okay, 4 root 3. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What will happen? X square plus 49 minus 14x, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same thing I have done. And if it will be square, what will happen? 4 root 3, just see here, 4 root 3 whole square. It means it is square of 4 also, it is square of root 3 also, that is 48. Okay bache? So that is 48. So now I'll bring this 48 this side. So now this is my equation required. This they were saying us to prove. Hence it's proved. Hence proved. So do try of such type of questions. 101% this type of questions